In this video, I will show you how to get LinkedIn Top Voice Badge. Open the LinkedIn website on the browser of your computer. Log into your account here. Click on the search bar shown at the top of the screen. Here, search for the Community Voice Badge. It will show you different groups of your searched information. You can also see pages by choosing the page option shown on the side. You can also see all people's results. You can also search for your page. For demonstration, I have searched for Louise Bragan here. Click on the page to go through that page. Here I have searched for another page named Tina Jarvet. Scroll down and you will see the skills portion here. You can see the endorsement option here. You can also see different options here like career development, public speaking, and interview preparation. Go to the homepage again and you can go to your profile by tapping here. On the other tab, search for Earn Community Top Voice Badge. You are eligible to earn a badge if you are in the top 5 of contributors. Open its website by clicking on it. You can see how to earn a badge. Badges will stay on your profile for 60 days as long as you stay in good standing. You must continue to stay in the top 5% of that skill to keep it beyond those 60 days. It will update every 24 hours and your rank is dependent on a combination of quality. One of the first 2,500 badge holders for that skill buy must remain within the top 5% to keep your badge past 60 days. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on LinkedIn. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.